yeah, let's just get started. Hey, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Madison Dennis. This is my first YouTube video that I will be uploading. I've vlogged before, but I've never done anything with it. So, if you're wondering why I have a balloon, I'm decorating for my grandma's 81st birthday. It's today. Happy birthday, Grandma. So basically, I'm just going to start a vlog channel. I'm just going to start vlogging, lifestyle vlogs. I'm just gonna share my day-to-day adventures with y'all, and hopefully it's entertaining. If not, sorry, see you later, you don't have to watch. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog decorating for my grandma's birthday party that we're having for her tonight. Later today I have to decorate for a wedding shower I have coming up this weekend, which I'll be vlogging as well. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, hey guys, I just made the cake. It's a lemon cake. I asked my boyfriend if I should make German chocolate or lemon, and he said lemon, so I made a lemon cake. And then my mom is gonna make a lasagna for my grandma's party tonight, and I don't know why I keep calling her my grandma. We call her Mimi, so if I ever say Mimi, I'm referring to my grandma on my dad's side. So anyway, so Mimi's birthday party is tonight. My sister's coming home. She is sometimes up in Champaign, Illinois, so she's coming home for the party. My mom just called me and she's at Dollar Tree. She's getting more helium balloons for my grandma's party tonight, and so yeah, it's coming together. It's just something small. She's 81 and the spunkiest lady I know, so we just wanted to do something fun for her, and it'll be fun. We're gonna have my mom's boyfriend's family over, and then like I said, my sister's coming, and my mom's boyfriend's kids are coming, and their grandkids are coming, so it'll be fun. We'll have a lot of people here. I'll try to vlog as much as I can, but I know some people don't really like to be on camera, which is fine, and like I'll probably be weird vlogging in front of them anyway, but I'll definitely include some footage of like the food and the party and all the decorations, so stay tuned for that. Oh, and just another side note, I wanted to include, since this is my first vlog, I just kind of wanted to like update you on the week that I have had. It's Thursday, and ever since Monday I've had like something to do every single day. So on Monday I cut off all my hair. I cut off about 5 inches, so I'll include some before and after pictures right after this clip. It was crazy. My hair, I did not realize how crazy my hair looked until she took a picture of it from behind in the salon chair. So I cut it and I got it lighter. I lightened it, and then Tuesday, on Tuesday I didn't have a whole lot going on, but I did paint a couple of pictures for my grandma's birthday as a gift. So I'm also going to insert clips of just pictures or clips of them in just a second. They turned out really, really cute. She's religious, and so one of them is religious, and then one of them is just like a quote that she always says. So I wanted to, you know, just make something special. And then yesterday I decorated all day. I got there at my best friend's house at 9, and I didn't leave until 1:30, and we got so much done for the shower on Saturday. Her bridal shower is on Saturday, so we were decorating for that. It's in her barn, and so we decorated for that all day. It was so hot. I was sweating so bad. And then I came home, I showered, went back to my best friend's house to go to Sam's Club and get all the food for the shower and some more decorations, like some more like just like little things for the shower. And then I got home at like 7 o'clock. So last night I helped my boyfriend study for his new job, and then I blew up some balloons for the party today. So a lot of decorating this week, lots of parties. So that's why I wanted to start this vlog now.
birthday, he takes me to the cemetery. Friggin' cemetery.
Is the bread out? Oh, the bread's not out yet. Hang on. I gotta get the bread.
Well, oh, I didn't take it out because I was Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, pretty.
Happy birthday, dear me.
Wow, that is so pretty.
Happy birthday.
Get it, Charles!
Aren't they nice?
Oh, those are pretty.
You belong in a zoo.
Ah, that's pretty. Okay, let's see. How are we going to do? How might need help? I'm not that windy.
Can I help you?
I'm not that windy. Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, it's been a while since I have checked in real time, not vlog time, but real time. It's been a while. I just wanted to say that the bridal shower went amazingly. It looked so beautiful. I'm so happy for my best friend Kylie. I'm exhausted. We put so much effort into that bridal shower, and I hope that you guys enjoyed the footage of it. The pictures and the videos just don't do it justice. It was beautiful. Like I said, we spent so much time. I'm so excited, like I said, for Kylie and her new chapter in life. And next weekend is the bachelorette party, so I'll be vlogging that as well. I'm home now. I'm gonna hop in the shower. I'm so gross. It was so hot. But yeah, I just wanted to check in and say that it's over and we had such a good time, and that's it. Okay, bye. Well, we're here bridesmaid dress shopping and wedding dress shopping for Katrina. So yeah, here we go.
She was bringing me one, so I thought,
Okay. Well, we have good news.
I said yes.
Not much has changed, but we lived underwater. And your great granddaughter is doing fine.
Hey guys, it's Monday. I started this vlog on Thursday, so it's been a few days. You guys have seen a lot. My grandma's birthday, the bridal shower, and everything in between. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Today's Monday, like I said. I don't have much going on. I'm on a walk right now. I'm gonna clean the house. I have a couple phone calls to make. And that's like it. So this week I don't really have much going on either for the rest of the week. Friday we leave for Kylie's bachelorette party, so I'll probably pick the vlog up there unless I end up doing something during the week. I'm not really sure, but I'll keep you guys in the loop. So yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching my very first YouTube vlog, video, whatever, because I'm not gonna just do vlogs. I have a plan. I plan to do all kinds of things with it, but just so happens that my first video was a vlog. But like I said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hold on, I just realized that I forgot to say, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you liked this video, like I said, please subscribe, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of how you found me, maybe how you found this video, how it popped up on YouTube. And yeah, that's it. Now, bye.